as I ease back into life in California, enjoying the rhythms of my home and garden. Also, I got a new haircut, and I'm going to share all this with you today on the Daily Connoisseur. One of my favorite rituals is enjoying the first sips of coffee outside. It's something I do every day if weather permits. And it feels wonderful to be reunited with my garden. I'm putting together my breakfast. I made a chia seed pudding the night before, which is a breakfast that I really love this time of year. So I'm putting that together with some blueberries, blackberries, and pumpkin seeds. I am back in California, and as you can see, I got a haircut. So this was long overdue. You probably noticed it in the England videos. My hair was looking so scraggly and long, and that's because the cut that I had so many layers in it, and it was like, it was too many layers. So I wanted to get a haircut before I went to England, but I didn't have time because my schedule was so busy beforehand. And then when I was there, I didn't want to go because I wanted to go to my lady here. You know how that is. So anyway, I just waited, and I got back and I got a haircut almost immediately, and it feels so good to have my haircut. And I like this length. This is the shortest it's been in a very long time. I like long hair, and I think long hair looks better with my face shape, but it was too long. So I feel like this is a good compromise. It's not quite a bob, but it is still short for me. And I really like it. It's like a fresh look. So I'm looking forward to experimenting with this. And when you come back from vacation or being away a long time, it's nice to not only get into routines, but to feel refreshed in doing so. And so when I was in England, I really did not pay attention to my California routines that much. So for example, before I left, I was having chia pudding so much, like for breakfast 4 times a week probably. And then I didn't have it at all when I was there, because I was just having more of the food that I was finding in the grocery stores. And then when I came back, it was nice to get back into that again. It was the same thing with fasting. I did not really track my intermittent fasting when I was in England. I still just have it at the back of my mind, like it so easily flows, but oftentimes we would eat later, and I wasn't going to push that. You know, I wasn't going to not have dinner with everyone because I was fasting. So I just let that go for the entire month too, and I just let go of all of that. And I was on a regular walking and rebounding schedule here in California before I left, and then I also didn't do that there. So, but I did more stretching there. So anyway, all that to say that when I go away, I like to just relax and just forget my routines at home, do new routines on vacation, and then when I come back, it's fun getting back into my old routines. So I can't wait to go on my regular walks and rebounding. I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to do it probably this weekend, and I can't wait. Okay, I want to talk about nails, and I need to sit down because I just keep talking. But first, I want to share Merit with you because they've kindly sponsored today's video. And Merit is such an incredible makeup brand. I'm sure you've heard of them by now, but they are so high quality. But they have not only makeup, they also have skincare too. And I have such an exciting new product from Merit to share with you right now. Okay, so Merit is releasing the Great Skin Double Cleanse Face Wash, which is a biphase foaming cleanser that effectively removes sunscreen and face makeup, while also providing gentle daily exfoliation for skin that feels soft and smooth and never stripped. This cleanser is amazing. They shipped it to me when I was in England and I've loved it because it does the double cleanse for you. It takes off your makeup so well. So I'm using the Great Skin Double Cleanse, and then after washing it off, I apply the Great Skin Moisturizer, which is a lightweight priming moisturizer, great to wear under makeup. Then I apply the Uniform Tinted Moisturizer in shade 20. I finally found my perfect shade. This has SPF 45. I finish it off by applying the Flush Balm in Terracotta. This is the perfect shade for the end of summer and early fall. It's so bronzy. And then I'm applying their Shade Slick lip gloss, and look how glowy and pretty my skin is looking. You can get early access to the Great Skin Double Cleanse before it officially launches to the public. Use code CLEANSER to access this new product through my link below. This link is password protected, so you have to enter my code to be able to access it. Also, I've linked exclusive discounted sets for you to get up to a 15% off discount on bundles with the new Great Skin face wash. You get free shipping on all orders over $40 and a free makeup bag with every first order. So thank you so much to Merit for sponsoring today's video. Also, I'm unpacking still and I am taking my time. Normally when I get back from a trip, and let me know if you're like this, I have to unpack immediately. All the laundry has to be done. Everything needs to be ironed. Everything needs to be put away. And it's kind of stressful. But this time I just am going slow with it. It's going to take a while to unpack after being away for a month. And I want to do it properly. And so I'm not rushing through it. I'm just going to take my time with it. But anyway, in the process of unpacking, I was going through my clothing bins because I was also looking for what I'm going to be bringing out for fall. And I came across these black shorts that I had last summer. I think I got these from Amazon. These were a budget find. And I thought, oh, this is perfect because I'm going to bring these out for the end of summer as it gets really hot here. And so anyway, I'm pairing that with this Merci Breton stripe shirt, and I think it's a cute French chic look. I'm actually not wearing shoes right now. I don't know where my shoes are or my slippers, so I won't show you that much, but I think that this is super cute, and I do like wearing black shorts, especially, you know, this time of year. Okay, so I painted my nails also when I got back, and I'm using London Town's Double Scoop. It's from their summer collection. This is one of my favorite shades from that collection, which I haven't even shared yet with you on the channel, but I'll put some B-roll here. And it is kind of like, it's not an opaque white because this has several layers. I put, I think, 2 or 3 coats on here, but it is a very beautiful kind of jelly white color. And so when I went to England, I got a gel French manicure. And I often like to do that when I travel because with gel, it'll last 3 weeks or so. And so then I don't have to worry about my nail polish chipping while I'm on the road. So, but then whenever I get a gel nail polish for traveling, I always am reminded when I'm done with it that I don't like getting gel. And so I had it taken off in England, and it was such an ordeal because I just walked into a random salon without reading the reviews, and I had a really negative experience in the salon. There are some amazing salons in England. I'm not, you know, putting that down. The one that I happened to go to was just not good. So anyway, I had a bad experience with that, and I was just happy to take the gel off and come back and start doing my own nails again. My nails are actually pretty long and they're looking quite healthy. So I'm pretty happy with that. One final thing I want to say before we move on with the video is that in August, I'm going to be doing fewer videos just to kind of relax. In the past, I would take 2 weeks off at the end of August. So instead, I'm just going to have some sporadically here and there and not be pressured to put all the videos out that I normally do. But come September, I will be back on my game, and I look forward to all that content with you. And finally, I wanted to share more garden footage with you. If you've wondered why I'm wearing tall boots here, it's because before we left for England, we had a snake in our garden. So now I'm wearing these boots just to make sure I don't have any unpleasant interactions. I was so happy to be reunited with my garden. I love it so much. My mom was giving me updates on it while I was away, and she was able to enjoy our plums, which I'm so grateful for that. I love coming here a few times a day and taking in the scent of the herbs. It is aromatherapy on the next level. I also enjoyed checking out the champagne grapes that are almost ready. I made an herb bouquet out of jasmine, lavender, bay leaf, mint, and lemon thyme, and it smelled like heaven. If you've never smelled lemon thyme before, try to find it in your local garden center because it smells so good. It's like lemon verbena with a slight kick. I added one of the lavender blue moon roses to this, and this is what the bouquet looks like in my bedroom the next day. I hope you enjoyed today's video. The videos in August will be a bit sporadic as I take a break from YouTube, but I do have some great content coming out for you, so I invite you to subscribe. I also invite you to check out my upcoming book, The Daily Connoisseur's Guide to Living Well at Home. It comes out in November and I can't wait. Thank you so much to Merit for sponsoring. You can get early access to the Great Skin Double Cleanse before it officially launches to the public. Use code CLEANSER to access the new product through my link below. The link is password protected, so you need to enter my code to be able to access. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Keep calm and remain classy, and I'll see you in the next video. Love, Jennifer.